I'm completely okay with complimenting a girl, but there are some caveats. It needs to be done in the correct manner.
Doing good. I just had a quick question on female validation. Like giving women compliments, things like that. Just want to hear you guys' thoughts on the do's and don'ts of complimenting females and validating them.
Okay, the do's and don'ts of complimenting a female and validating them.
Yeah, basically.
Okay, listen up. We're gonna answer right now. All right, Troy, you want to take that one first? The do's and don'ts of complimenting a woman.
Yeah, never compliment her. You've got to nag her into the ground, man. Call her a bitch. No, I was talking about this before, actually. I'm guessing he's meaning in real life. I obviously no simping on social media. You're not sending, likes and all that kind of stuff. But in real life, I think complimenting is okay. But here's the thing, right? You want to do it in a way, you don't want to do it in a simpy way. You could go up and you could say, I've gone up to girls and said, oh my God, I saw you, you're so beautiful, I just fell in love with you. But the way that I'm saying it, it's clear that it's sort of, not ironic, but it's sort of like, what you don't want to do is look like you're massively supplicating to her and you've got no other options. But if it's pretty clear from your general demeanor and the way that you come across that you're not, and actually probably you're a bit of a player, you can get away with saying ridiculously chody stuff. You could get away with complimenting her. I wouldn't go massively overboard on her. And the other thing is you want to pull it back a little bit as well. You also want to tease her a little bit as well and make it a bit jokey. But you could definitely do it. I don't think that it's this big no-no, really. As long as you're not doing it too much and as long as you're not doing it in a way that comes across as needy so that it looks like you're just desperate for her attention and for her approval. Here's what I tend to do. I tend to go up and I'll compliment I'll go up and say, hey, I just saw you. I think you look cute. I wanted to come and have a conversation. My name's Troy or whatever. So I've made a compliment there. But then I'll probably pull it back a little bit. I'll be like, but you guys, you're not even, everyone's partying here and you're just sitting around talking, you dorks or so. I'll try and pull it back with a little joke and do it like that. Okay. So you're not like over validating her. But yeah, I think it's cool as long as you're cool with it.
Yeah, I would say so. If you're gonna, I'm completely okay with complimenting a girl, but there are some caveats. It needs to be done in the correct manner, and in my opinion, the correct manner is it has to be a sincere compliment, and it has to have some sort of originality to it, right? Like for me, like I'm big on a girl. Like if a girl has like really nice makeup or like her nails are really nicely done. I hate when I see a girl with like dirty, like tattered up nails or like her nail polish is all chipped. I'm like, did you escape from a trailer? Like, get out of here. I don't like that at all. But like when they got like a nice French manicure or they have, I love girls. I mean, I pay very, very, very close attention to girls' hair, right? So like if their hair's like, been dyed a million times and it's all dry and looks like peanut brittle, it's so like frail, they look like Tales of the Crypt. I don't like that. But when they have like nice, thick, silky hair that you can like grab and like it won't pull out of their hair, it's like just nice and thick. I really like that. So I'll tell a girl, sometimes if I'm at a bar and I'm I'm looking good, I'm smelling good, my teeth are white, like I'm all put together. I'll walk up to girl and I'll be drinking and talking with her, and if the vibe is right and I'm feeling her and she's feeling me, sometimes I'll just reach up and I'll like put her hair behind her ears and be like, you have such nice hair. And then I'll just like probably take a little bit of it and look at it. And then I'm like, you take care of it a lot. And, anytime you ask a girl about like how she takes care of herself, she's going to tell you about it. And, that if they have like really full lips, if they have nice teeth, I'm a big gums guy too. It's kind of that might sound weird, but if they have like nice pink gums, I'm like, wow, your teeth and gums are really healthy.
Is it better if they have no teeth and just gums? Because
it depends on the level of intoxication at that point. After 4 drinks, I'll pretty much do anything. So
we'll find some off the strip for sure.
But the point I'm trying to make here, when you give a compliment to a woman, it has to be sincere and it has to be non-needy. You can't be like, "Oh, baby, you're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen in my life." Nothing like that. But it needs to be sincere. Like, I really like your outfit. The way that black leather hugs your hips, it really shows like a nice feminine curve to your body. And your shoes are really nice too. I like the black nail polish as well. Did you go somewhere nice today, or did you just get all dolled up because you meet a guy like me tonight? And kind of throw that little thing at the end there for her to be like, "Oh, you motherfucker,"
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. I think there's something to be said for being authentic as well, right? Because I mean, obviously, the reason you're talking to her is because you think she's hot. So,
yeah,
you want to own that and express that. But like you say, you just don't want to do it in a cliched, kind of cheesy way. So I think what you're saying about finding specifics is really key.